The term Rogers Xfinity app can be confusing. The correct app to use is simply the Xfinity app from Comcast. To avoid confusion, always download the official Xfinity TV app directly from the Amazon App Store on your Firestick. Avoid sideloaded versions to maintain security. If you are a Rogers customer in Canada, the Xfinity app may have geo restrictions, but the basic installation and troubleshooting steps are the same. Before installing, verify your Firestick is a compatible model, ideally a 4K version or newer, for the best performance. To install the correct app, first search for Xfinity within the Amazon App Store on your Firestick. Then install the app, ensuring it's published by Comcast. This ensures you're using the official version. If the Xfinity app isn't working, start by clearing its cache. Navigate to Settings, then Applications, Manage Installed Applications, select Xfinity, and choose Clear Cache. If problems persist, also clear the app's data. This will log you out, so be prepared to sign in again. Next, ensure your Firestick OS is up to date. Go to Settings, My Fire TV, About, and check for updates. Then, update the Xfinity app. Long press the Xfinity icon, select More Info, and choose Update. Restart your Firestick after updating to apply the changes. A stable internet connection is essential, with a minimum of 25 Mbps for HD streaming. For persistent issues, try reinstalling the Xfinity app or contact Xfinity support.